Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting new product that I'm going to be testing out. So I picked up from Priceline the 3-pack of face halos. So these ones are from Chloe Morello. They are her line of, it's basically a makeup remover. So essentially from what I know about it already, it is this little circle pad. This one comes with 3 pads and you fill it up with water, no makeup remover or anything else, and it's meant to take off all of your makeup. Sounds pretty crazy, sounds very ambitious, but I'm willing to give it a go. It seems to be all the rage. Congrats on Chloe for making a product like this. It's super awesome, and awesome that it's sold in Priceline as well. So it's $30 for a pack of 3, so essentially you're paying $10 per pad thing, and on the back it has just 3 steps on how to use it. So it says to just add water, which apparently loosens your makeup, allowing the face halo to reach deep into your pores to remove and trap makeup. And then you just remove the makeup, no need to rub or scrub. Simply wet the face halo and gently wipe until all makeup is removed. Rehydrate as needed, so I guess refill the sponge up with water, and then you can wash them and reuse. So you can throw it into the washing machine or hand wash directly after use. Open up this packet. So we've got 3 of the pads and then a little picture of Chloe. And it says, "Love our face halos and know you will too. Please come and visit us at www.facehalo.com to check out our #1 halo girl, Chloe Morello, and discover more tips and tricks for using and washing your face halo." From Beck and Lizzie, Face Halo co-founders. I thought that face halos were Chloe's brand, but maybe I'm wrong. It must be this Beck and Lizzie people, and she must be like the face of the company, but still, that's awesome. I'm going to use this one today. It's really soft. It smells kind of like when you walk into like a carpet store, that's what it smells like. Maybe it's like carpet, but it's really soft, and then it's got like this hard band around the outside and then the little tag. Anyway, I'm gonna go wet this one and I'll be right back. So I have filled it up and squeezed it out with slightly lukewarm water. It was like majority cold though. I'll zoom it up so it's a little bit looser. Alrighty. Here goes nothing, I guess. Seems to be coming off pretty well. Alright, I'm going to tackle an eye now. I'm gonna hold it on for a few seconds. And a massage. Pretty good. Eyebrow, so my eyebrow product is waterproof, and bam! That just came off. It's going pretty well. I can't believe it got my brows off. My brows, even with my micellar water, take like ages to come off. Pretty good. Alright, so I put a red lip on so that I could test whether it took off the red lip or not. So, a bit of a challenge, but let's see how it goes. Wow, literally the lip tint that I used is waterproof, and all I've used is water, but somehow it's come off. The only like difficult places is just around the eyes. It's like those hard to reach places, and because I have lash extensions I have to be careful like pulling on my eyes, but the actual product itself, like when I do get the sponge on it, is coming off like ridiculously well. I am clean. So it's literally like taken it out of my pores as well. Like my face is so fresh. And this is what the face halo looks like afterwards. So it's pretty dirty, but I reckon if we just chuck that in the wash, it should all come out pretty well. So I am pretty impressed with these. I would definitely go grab one of these. It's so handy. Like I hate having to like sit at my, like you come home from a big night and you're like putting on so much makeup remover and you use like 10 wipes. It's like not coming off. Whereas this, you can kind of just fill up with water and then go sit in bed and just like, and you know that it's all gonna come off. Like this is amazing. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend these so much. They're just amazing. Pretty happy with those. So definitely go pick them up. I know you can buy them online, but I also saw at my local Priceline pharmacy, they had the 3-pack, so that's where I picked mine up from. $30 for 3 face halos is pretty good, especially if you can reuse them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.